Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Oh my god, I'm like, oh my god, all the time. Okay, so today I wasn't thinking about vlogging, but I was like, okay, if you want to continue doing this, like vlogging all the time, you have to keep on vlogging. So today we are going to Ikea. I haven't been to Ikea for almost, like, I think even 1 year, you guys, more than a year. I haven't been to Ikea, and it's like 15 minutes from my house, but we haven't been there. So today we are going there. I'm just going to show you guys around. I'm going to show you like what I'm going to get, but I'm not going to vlog like inside because I haven't been vlogging for a long time, so I feel a little bit awkward. I don't know why. I need to get back to this, you guys. If you know, then you know I have been vlogging for like almost now 4 years, but sometimes, like, if you haven't like vlogging for a long time, you in public, it gets a little bit like awkward. Yes, you guys. So let me show you my outfit of today. My memory card was full, so this is what I'm wearing today. This Zara t-shirt. I really like this type of t-shirt. I have like 3 of them. I really love them because they are not normal t-shirts. I mean, I don't know, they're giving me vibe a little bit. I really love this. Okay, so I'm wearing this short from Zara. This is a mom short. I'm wearing my Nike sneakers, Apple Watch, and this necklace. I really love this necklace, you guys. It's from Linear website. I have been wearing this like almost every day and it still looks good, you guys. Like, the quality is amazing. And yeah, you guys, just simple. I'm not wearing any makeup. I have my Zara dress still there, you guys see, from my last haul. Okay, yes, you guys, we are off. See you later.
아무 계획 없이 떠나볼래 다 내려놓고 괜찮을 거야 We'll be back 멀리 날아오르자 No worries 어디 보였어
Okay, I want to show you guys the stuff. Okay, because I'm going out again, so I wanted to show you real quick what I got from Ikea. I got this frame and I have the other one 50 to 70 for this, because let me show you. Okay, because I got this print from Disegno, yes. So I needed the frame. Another thing that I got is this like a what I don't even know how you call this. How cute is this? I want to use this for my kitchen to put a soap. And I got this brush. I think this is going to be so useful to wash my bottles, because I use a lot of like a water bottle. And cushion covers, just white, simple cushion cover, you guys. And I got this hanger. I think these are so good. These are wood hanger, you guys. They have plastic now, but these are just simple wood hangers. I don't know if I have to. This one here, I don't remember the price of this. I'm just going to put the price up here, you guys. And another thing that I got, I always get this plastic bag when I go to Ikea. And this laying bed sheet for my son. And I got another bed sheet for my son to go with its sheet. And another thing that I got is this vase. Look how beautiful is this vase, you guys. I really like the shape of this, to put like some small flowers. This is so cute. Look how cute is this. This is so cute. And yeah, my husband. Oh, I'm coming. Vai, va bene. I don't know if I should show you guys now the design picture, because I am curious to see. I hope they are good, and I hope I got all the size, you guys. Okay, what is this? Ah, okay. I was like, this one is already broken. Darn. Okay, it says here, open. Oh my god. I think I got all the size. I got this one. It says this one here. I think you guys can read from there. I got this one. Look how beautiful is this. A naked woman. And one of my favorites, they are this one here. Oh my god, they are this one here, and this one here. So beautiful. I think I missed one. No, I think I missed one frame, and another one is this one here. Look how beautiful is this. I think this is going to look so good in a big frame. I have to put this back. These are the frame here, and got like a furniture for me in the room because my old one is broken. So we have to fix this up. I don't know when I'm going to do this because I know it's going to take me forever. Okay guys, I am back. Same day. But different hair. Okay, let me take this camera back. Different hair. As you guys can see, I took down my cornrows. I normally have cornrows underneath my wig. Now I need to wash, and I'm going to relax my hair. I am going to use olive oil. The last time I relaxed my hair was like I don't know how long, you guys, 3 or 4 months ago. So yes, I just want to see the length of my hair, and I don't know if I'm going to braid my hair or I'm going to keep my hair natural for a while because it's super hot, you guys. So hot. And yeah, I'm going to relax my hair. Already turn on like hot water. I am ready. Today I try to film like a haul, you guys. I have the stuff here ready for the haul. As you guys can see here, like all these are the stuff that I got from sale. But how hot it was today and yesterday, I just couldn't do it, you guys, because of the hot. So I hope one of these days I'm going to do it. And yeah, so let me go and relax my hair, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, so today I want to take you guys to do my nails. Look at these. Now they're so bad, you guys. I don't even know how. Yes, now you can see well. They're so bad, you guys. I need to go to do my nails and to do my hair too, because it's a long time since I went to a salon, you guys, to do my hair. So yes, that is the plan for today. And then I don't know what we are going to do later. I'm gonna put here the camera. I don't know what we are going to do later. Yeah, so I'm just going to use this. My friend Laura gave me this Dior lip gloss. She doesn't like it, but I really like it. For everyday use, this is perfect. It gives me like pink lips. This is cute. And the color looks similar to my shirt from Zara. Look at this. Yes, one of my clients at work gave me this perfume because I complimented her, like she smells good. She was like, oh, I got the perfume from a pharmacy and it was like €5. I'm going to buy for you. I was like, no, you don't have to. She was like, no, don't worry, I'm going to buy for you. So this is the perfume. So if you live in Italy, I don't know if this is available online, but I'm going to link it if I'll find it somewhere. So I normally use this and this one. I use 2 of them. Okay, you guys, I am back with my hair done and my nails. I went with this green color. I just prefer my natural short nails. Yeah, so this is what I went for. Just something simple. And yeah, I got another ring because I've been wearing this every day. I wanted to add another one, gold, the ring that I can wear like every day, so I added this one. Look how cute is this with the infinity sign. My hair feels so good now, you guys. I mean, yeah, this feels so good. I mean, I really like it, you guys.